Hi everyone. So in this session I'm going to discuss how to start your CAT prep. Okay, so if you are a student in your second year or third year, maybe in fourth year, and you're planning to start with your CAT preparation. Okay, so then I'm going to give you the correct guidance for this in this video. All right, let's begin. So before I start with the session, let me just tell you a bit about myself. My name is Ishwarya and I have done my masters in mathematics from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House, University of Delhi in mathematics only. In total, I have more than 4 years of training experience and I have trained for various exams like CAT, GRE and GMAT earlier. Okay, so now let me just give you some information regarding the subscriptions that we offer. So at Unacademy we offer the Plus and Iconic subscription. So if you go for the Plus subscription, you will have access to the classes from India's top educators. All the classes are live and interactive. You can get your doubts clarified within the class itself. You get notes which can be downloaded after each and every class. You get live, you will have also have access to the live tests and quizzes that happen on our platform on regular basis. Okay, so along with all these benefits of the Plus subscription, there is one more kind of subscription we have, that is Iconic. So all the benefits of Plus subscription are already there in the Iconic subscription, but along with that there are some added benefits. You get personal attention from your educator. Your preparation for OMITS is also inclusive. You get expert guidelines about GDPI and your preparation strategies for MBA. Alright. Also, test analysis of each and every mock test that you give on the platform would be shared with you by the educator. Alright, so this is the price of our CAT Plus subscription. So for the 12 months the price is 17,500 and for the 24 months the price is 21,000. So over this fees also you can get 10% off by using the code AAISH10. So if you use the code, you can avail 10% off instantly. Okay, so along with this there are some now this is the price of our Iconic subscription. So for 12 months the price is 30,000 and for 24 months the price is 41,000. Alright, here also you can get 10% off if you use the code AAISH10. Alright, now these are the students who have scored more than 99 percentile in CAT 2020. So you guys can also join this list. So they were all from the Iconic subscription batch. Okay, so they had access to the personal educator. They got regular test analysis and the score reports in detail from their educators. OMITS preparation was inclusive and all the benefits of Plus subscription are also included in the Iconic subscription. Now this is the information about the batches that are going to start recently on our platform. So from 31st of March, that is tomorrow, we are going to start a new batch, and from 1st of April we are going to start 2 new batches. So you still have time to enroll for the batch and start your preparations for CAT in these batches. Alright, now this is something I have to inform you that prices will go up tomorrow midnight. Okay, so the prices that we discussed earlier, that for Plus the prices were 17,521 for 12 and 24 months duration. Also the price for Iconic currently is 30,000 and 41,000 for 12 and 24 month duration. Now this price would be increasing from 1st of April. Okay, so you can join at the old prices from 31st till 31st of March itself. Okay, so make full use of this opportunity. If you are planning to go for the subscription in near future, then these are the 2 days where you should get the subscription. Alright, so these new prices are effective from 31st of March itself. Alright, now this is the weekly scholarship test that I would like to inform you about. Okay, so for this week the test is going to be held in the coming Sunday at 12 noon. Okay, so the syllabus of the test is exactly same as that of CAT. The test is going to be of 60 minutes. Okay, so please participate in this test, and if you get a good score you can get a good scholarship also. Also, to unlock this test you can use the code AAISH10. Alright, now this is a wonderful feature of the Unacademy app. We call it as an Ask a Doubt feature. You just have to go to Unacademy Learning app, select Ask a Doubt tab from there, take a picture of the question you want the solution for, and submit the picture on a screen on a platform by selecting the subject to which the question belongs. As soon as you do this, our educators will solve the question immediately and share the explanation with you as soon as possible. All right. Now this is the name of our YouTube channel, Unacademy Cat for MBA, and this is the name of my Telegram channel. So you can post about the links of the I post about the links of my classes, all my special and YouTube classes on this platform. All right. So you are allowed to join these classes, okay, free of cost. On from here you can get the links for that. Also, if you have doubted any question and you want me to discuss over it, you can please post it on this group and we can discuss there as well. Okay, now let us discuss how can you start your CAT preparations. Okay, so to start preparing for any exam, you should first know the exam. All right, knowing the exam means understanding its pattern. Okay, so you have to understand the exam pattern, you have to understand the syllabus, you should be able to know what are the topics that are covered in CAT. Okay, questions from which topic come in CAT. So this is under the category of syllabus, so you should be able to know, you should know what is the syllabus of CAT. All right, also you should have an eye on the timelines. Okay, keeping an eye on the timelines is very necessary. Why? You should know when the registration will begin. So the registration for CAT begins in the month of August and usually closes till within 1 or 1.5 months the registration will close. So you should apply for the exam, okay, and so that you can get your preferred test center also. Okay, now this is a computer based test. So all these things related to the exam you should be aware of before you start your preparation for CAT. Alright, now taking help from an educator is essential. Why? Some of you might be confused whether you should do the self-study or you should just go for the mock test and or you should join Unacademy's Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription to start your preparations, right? So I would personally suggest you to go for the subscription. Why? Because taking help from an educator is very important. Okay, so taking help from an educator is very important. Why? Because they are the experts of this field. So they will be able to guide you better. Okay, you might not be aware of certain things related to an exam, but an educator is helping students to appear and crack CAT every year. So they might give you some expert guidelines. They can teach you some tricks and techniques that are not taught in our schools and colleges. Alright, so this will really help you in boost your preparation and you will definitely be able to get a good score in CAT. Alright, so personally I would suggest you to get help from an educator, but still if you want to go for the self-study only, then you should be able to analyze your performance also, and please keep a check on your progress. If you feel that there is no progress if you are doing self-study, then you should switch to the Unacademy subscriptions. Alright, now you should start early. Don't wait to start the prep in last few months. So right now we are in the end of March. CAT will happen in the end of November or the first week of December. So if you're thinking that I'll start my preparation from September, so then this is not the correct way of thinking, right? Because if you have made the decision, if you are quite sure that you will appear for CAT 2021, then if you're sure that you have to appear for the exam, then you should start the preparations. Okay, all right. So because when you start the preparations for initial 10 or 15 days, you might you might spend these 10 or 15 days in understanding the exam and the basics of it. All right, so it is always a good idea to start as early as you can. All right, now you should go through the entire syllabus and make a plan of your preparation strategy. Why? Because as I said earlier also, knowing the syllabus is important, then only you can make a plan of your prep. Okay, making a plan means you should be able to in the plan you should be able to make whether you can complete the entire syllabus till the month of August or not. Okay, and then you want to start with the mock test preparation and everything. So this plan will differ from student to student, depends on the progress of the student and all, right? So you should make a proper plan, a proper strategy should be there to start your preparations. So you can take help in making a plan from your educator also. All right, also you have to select some other, because along with CAT generally most of the students appear for other management exams also. Okay, like if you're aiming for XLRI, okay, which is a very good college, so you can aim for that also. And there are a lot of colleges which are accepting scores of CAT, ZAT, NMAT, other exams also. So you should select which other management exams you can aspire for, you can aim for. Okay, so knowing everything about these exams is important. Okay, so first of all, I would suggest you to spend 2 or 3 days in collecting all the information, doing the proper research, then you start. All right, now refer to one sample paper to get an idea. You can you can go online, you can refer to some paper, or you can go through any of my previous year questions classes to get an idea of what types of questions are asked. Okay, so this will definitely help you in getting insight about CAT. All right, now, so this was the step 1. Step 2 is to build your concepts. Okay, so concept clarity is very important to understand the question. So if there is a question on your screen, okay, so after reading the question, the first the immediate thought that should come in your mind is the topic from which the question belongs. Okay, so this will come in your mind only when you're clear with the concepts in your mind. So concept clarity is very essential in order to understand the questions. Okay, now that you have started your preparation for CAT, you have to make a habit of reading newspapers to improve your vocabulary. Often in other management exams also, there is a section of general awareness or general knowledge, so this will definitely help you with that also. Okay, now you should focus on screen reading, because this is a computer based exam. For example, in the verbal ability section, there are long reading comprehension passages. Okay, so for there you will have to build stamina for reading online. Okay, so try working on this. Okay, try to spend 30 minutes or 40 minutes reading. You can try reading the newspaper online, make a note of important points that you have. All right, now third is that you need to start working on your vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary is an important part of the BARC section in CAT. So start building your vocabulary. If you read books, okay, if you read novels also, so if you come across any new word, okay, so if you come across any new word which you have read for the first time, then note down that word in your journal or in some diary. Okay, understand its meaning. Okay, so this way you can keep on adding some words to your journal daily. Okay, so this can help you in your vocabulary building also. So try to start doing all these things in the initial phase of your preparations or only, so that you can develop an habit eventually. Okay, now this is very important. You have to learn calculation shortcuts. Learning calculation shortcuts is very important to manage your time, because CAT is all about your speed and accuracy. Okay, I'm sure that if you have unlimited time, if I give you these 34 questions of the quant section and you have to solve these 34 sections in a day, then I'm sure that you will be able to perform much better and you will be able to solve a lot of questions. Okay, but in the exam we just have 1 hour for 34 questions, that is less than 2 minutes per question. So learning the calculation shortcuts is important. Learning to apply the calculation shortcuts at the right place is important. Okay, so please focus on this from the very beginning. Now study the important sections first. Important sections, like for example in the quantitative aptitude section, I would suggest the important sections are your numbers, your geometry. 2 or 3 questions from geometry are always asked in CAT. All right, arithmetic, time, speed, distance, time in work, averages, all these are the important sections. So focus on important sections first. Okay, remember that in CAT your objective is not to attempt all the questions. Your objective is to minimize the wrong answers. Your objective is to maximize your correct questions. Okay, so make a plan accordingly, and you should have the strategy in that manner only. Okay, now the third step is to practice a lot of questions. Practice questions of different types. Okay, do smart works. Doing smart work means when you solve, suppose if you solve 10 questions and you got 8 out of those 10 questions correct, then the 2 incorrect questions should be analyzed. You should know what was your mistake there. Was it a silly mistake, or was it a mistake that you have done because you didn't know the concept? or maybe you haven't seen such type of question earlier. Okay, so try to analyze your work, analyze your performance also. Keep a check on your progress. Okay, so for that you need to attempt a lot of mock test, appear for the mock test, plan your mock test consistently. Along with that, you have to know how to analyze the mock test. Okay, so if you give a mock test and after getting the score, if you just have a look at the score report for just 10 or 15 minutes, that these many questions were wrong, these were right, okay, so this much marks have been reduced in negative marking. Okay, so knowing this information won't take you anywhere. Correct way of analyzing is very important. Okay, so that you can improve those areas, your weak areas, in the next test. Okay, so this is crucial, this is very important. Ideally you should spend at least 2 hours in analyzing the score report properly. Go through as many previous year questions as you can. Okay, because this will definitely help you in understanding the types of questions. Okay, do not pile up your doubts. So suppose if you are practicing, okay, you have practiced 100 questions in a day, then definitely out of those 100 questions you will have some doubts. Discuss the questions with your educator. Use the ask a doubt feature of the Unacademy app. If not that, send the image of the picture on the Telegram app of your Telegram group of your educator. Share it with your educator anyway. Okay, and discuss your mistakes and discuss the explanation. All right, so I hope this step is clear. Now next is to be consistent. Okay, why consistent? Because mock tests are to be given regularly. If you give mock test today and then you're appearing for the next mock test after 2 months, then again after a week, okay, so then you will be wasting your mock test. Okay, so plan a way in which you can utilize the mock test correctly. Okay, revision of concepts and formulas should be done at regular interval. It should not happen that when you're giving a mock test and a question comes on your screen and you think that I can solve this question but I have forgotten the formula, right? So this scenario should never come in while you're appearing for a mock test. Okay, so keep on revising the concepts and important formulas. Okay, better to make a small notebook in which you write down all the formulas. Okay, do not forget to keep an eye on the application timelines. Okay, so don't think that preparing for CAT is the only thing, right? You have to devote some time into keeping a check on the application timelines, which form is releasing, what is the last date of submitting the applications. All right, so you will have to spend at least 2 to 3 hours in a week, okay, where you can just keep an eye, keep a note of all these things. Okay, work on your profile simultaneously, work on your interview skills simultaneously. You can find a lot of videos on the CAT for MBA channel where we help you, where the different educators are helping you to maintain, to hone your interview skills. Okay, so along with the academic part of the CAT, you have to work on these things also. All right, so I hope this video was useful for you. I have discussed how to start with your CAT prep. Okay, so currently if you are in your 4th semester, in your 2nd year or the 3rd year for the 4-year degree students, and you're planning to appear for CAT, then definitely I think you should keep a check on all these pointers that I have discussed in this video, so that you can inculcate them while starting your preparations for CAT. All right, okay. Now I've already told you about the benefits of the Plus subscription. Taking a Plus subscription would be very beneficial for you if you're planning to appear for CAT and other management exams. Okay, so here you get regular test analysis. The classes are given by the top experienced educators. Okay, also you get test analysis after each and every mock. Now, how to take the subscription? The steps are pretty easy. Just go to Google Play Store, type Unacademy there and install the Unacademy Learning app. As soon as you install the Learning app, the app will ask you to select a goal for yourself, select CAT there and click on Get Subscription. As soon as you click on Get Subscription, the app will ask you to choose between Plus and Iconic. You can choose the subscription, okay, and while making the payment, you can use the code IISH10 to get the 10% off the entire course fee instantly. All right. Also, you can unlock my special classes on the platform You can unlock my special classes on the Unacademy platform that are completely free of cost using this code AAISH10. Alright. Okay, please subscribe to the channel so that you can have access to the interview videos and all the strategy videos of CAT. Now this is the name of my Telegram channel. If you have any MBA related query, if you want information regarding any college or any exam, then please feel free to ask me anything here. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you all for watching.